Good morning, students. Today we will discuss examples of first axiom spaces. So, what is first axiom space? A topological space X star is said to be first axiom space if for each point X belonging to the set X, there exists a countable base for the neighborhood system of this point X. Then we say that the topological space X star is first axiom space. Now let us discuss some examples of the topological spaces which are first axiom. So the first example is usual topological space, means the set of real numbers with usual topology. We proved that this topological space is first axiom space. Now, in order to prove that this is first axiom space, we will have to find a countable base for the neighborhood system of each point of set R. So, let us take an arbitrary real number x, and nx denotes the neighborhood system of this point x. Let us define a collection beta x consisting of all the open intervals of this type, consisting of the endpoints x minus 1 by n to x plus 1 by n. N is a natural number. Now because set of natural numbers, that is countable, so this beta x, that is countable. Now because x belongs to this open interval, and this open interval, that is contained in itself, so by definition of usual topology, we can say that this open interval belongs to the usual topology, and also this belongs to nx, so we can say that beta x is contained in nx. So we have proved the first condition for being a base for neighborhood system of point x. Now let us take an arbitrary neighborhood W of the point x. By definition of neighborhood, there will exist an open set A such that x belongs to A is contained in W. Now x belongs to A and A is U open set. So by definition of usual topology, there will exist an open interval AB such that x belongs to this interval AB, and that is contained in A. From the equations 1 and 2, we have obtained x belongs to the open interval AB is contained in W. Now we can find a natural number n naught belonging to set of natural numbers such that A is less than x minus 1 by n naught, less than x plus 1 by n naught, less than B. Now this open interval consisting of the endpoints x minus 1 by n naught to x plus 1 by n naught. This open interval belongs to beta x by definition of collection beta x, and therefore we can say that x belongs to this open interval. This open interval is contained in open interval AB, and open interval AB, that is contained in W. So from here we have obtained x belongs to this open interval is contained in W. So for a neighborhood W of the point x, we have obtained a member of this type from the collection beta x such that x belongs to the member of beta x that is contained in the given neighborhood. So by definition, this becomes a base for neighborhood system of the point x. This x is arbitrary chosen real number. So we can say that there exists a countable base for the neighborhood system of every real number. So by definition, the usual topological space is first axiom. Now, the second example is indiscrete topological space. Indiscrete topology is denoted by tau1. This is a collection of members x and phi. Now we prove that this topological space x star 1 is first axiom. Let us take a point x belonging to the set X. In this topology, the only neighborhood of point X is the whole space X. If we take any neighborhood W of the point X, by definition of neighborhood, there will exist a member A from the topology such that X belongs to A is contained in W. Now, because the only toe open set containing the point X in this topology, that is a set X. So we can say that A will be same as X. So we can replace A by X here. So this will become X belongs to X is contained in W. Now, in discrete topology, the superset of X is X itself. So W will be same as X. So we can see that the neighborhood system of the point X consists of only one member X. Let us take the collection beta X consisting of this member X. Now we can see that beta X is a sub collection of Nx and beta X is countable. So we have obtained a countable base for the neighborhood system of the point X. So by definition, we can say that this topological space X star 1 is first axiom space. Now, our next example is to show that the discrete topological space is first axiom if X is countable. So let us take the set X with topology tau2. Tau2 is discrete topology and this set X is countable. Let us take a point X belonging to the set X and we form a collection beta X consisting of all the singletons X. Now this is countable because X is countable and also singleton X contains the point X. So this will be a neighborhood of point X. So that belongs to neighborhood system of point X. So we can say that beta X is a sub collection of neighborhood system of the point X. Now we show that this collection forms a base for neighborhood system of the point X. Now let us take W be an arbitrary neighborhood of the point X. By definition of neighborhood, there will exist an open set A such that X belongs to A is contained in W. Now X belongs to A, so we can say that singleton X is contained in A. Thus X belongs to singleton X that is contained in A and A is already contained in W. So we can say that X belongs to singleton X that is contained in W. And W is arbitrary chosen neighborhood of the point X. So for given neighborhood W of X, we have obtained a member from beta X such that X belongs to this member is contained in W. So beta X forms a base for neighborhood system of the point X. And X is arbitrary chosen point. So we can say that for every point X belonging to the set X, we have a countable base for the neighborhood system of this point. So by definition, we can say that discrete topological space is first axiom space if the set X is countable. Now, next we discuss the example of a topological space which is not first axiom. So let us consider cofinite topological space. The set X with topology tau3. Tau3 is cofinite topology. We show that if X is finite, this topological space is first axiom. So firstly let us take X is finite set. We already discussed if the set X is finite, in that case cofinite topology is same as the discrete topology. And discrete topological space, that is first axiom. So the set X with this topology TOR3, that is first axiom space. Now we discuss the second case when X is uncountable. Let us take a point X belonging to the set X, and Nx denotes neighborhood system of the point X. Now let us prove singleton X is the intersection of all the neighborhoods of the point X. Now for every A belonging to neighborhood system of the point X, X belongs to A. So we can say that singleton X is contained in A. And this is true for every A belonging to neighborhood system of point X. So we can say that singleton X is contained in the intersection of all A where A belongs to Nx. Now it remains to prove that this intersection is contained in singleton X. So let us take a point Y belonging to this intersection. We have to prove that Y is equal to X. We prove it by contradiction. Let us assume Y is not equal to X. Let us take the set A as the complement of singleton Y. Now the complement of A, that is singleton Y, that is finite, and if the complement of a set is finite, then that set belongs to cofinite topology. So we can say that A belongs to topology TOR3. It means A is open set and also A contains the point X. So A belongs to neighborhood system of the point X. But Y doesn't belong to A because A is complement of singleton Y. So Y does not belong to the intersection of A where A belongs to neighborhood system of the point X, which is a contradiction to this fact. It means this assumption is wrong. It means Y is equal to X. So we have proved that singleton X is the intersection of all the neighborhoods of the point X. Now because if we take beta X a countable base for neighborhood system of the point X, then by definition of base for neighborhood system of the point X, beta X is subcollection of Nx. And because beta X is subcollection of Nx, so this will also be true for members belonging to beta X. It means singleton X can be written as the intersection of members of beta X. Taking complements on both sides, we get the complement of singleton X is equal to the complement of intersection of all those members which belongs to beta X. Now by De Morgan's law, this can further be written as union of complements of the members from beta X. Now because A belongs to cofinite topology, so by definition its complement is finite, this set is finite, and union of finite sets is again finite. And so this expression is finite, so that is countable. So complement of singleton X is countable. Also singleton X is countable. Union of finite union of countable sets is again countable. So X is countable, which is a contradiction because we have taken the case where X is uncountable. So we can say that this topological space is not first axiom if X is uncountable. So these were some of the examples related to first axiom spaces.